Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Gilang Saya Nusantara. I'm from Yogyakarta. I want to tell you about my research. The title of my research is Photovoltaic Potential Analysis and Visualization Case Study Analysis of Solar Energy Potential in 3D Building Modeling based on OpenStreetMap data in 0 km area of Yogyakarta. Number one, I want to tell you about the introduction of my research. The energy crisis that hit the world caused people to think again about the renewable energy. In Indonesia, where the fossil energy dominates, the consumption of electrical energy continues to increase. Based on the Government Regulation Number 79 of 2014 concerning national energy, the Government of Indonesia has a target of implementing renewable energy by 23% in 2025 and 31% in 2050. The era of information open and the development of geospatial technology make people easily to access about the geospatial data. Due to the energy crisis and technological development, Calculate Solar Radiation software has emerged which can calculate the potential for solar energy based on 3D building data, depth, and sunlight intensity. After that, I want to tell you about my research methodology. Number one, the research was conducted in the 0 km area of Yogyakarta. The research began by looking for the basic data in the form of location and dimension option from the 2D OSM, 3D building data from the OSM 3D building, and them from the PIG website. Furthermore, the coordinate and 2D location are checked by using QGIS software. Number two, the author input the height of the building in the attribute table using the QGIS software. Building height data option from the OSM3 building. Number three, the data that generated from the processing are data on building that have a height. Furthermore, the data was extruded in the ArcGIS Pro software. Number four, processing the solar potential in the 0 km area of Yogyakarta requires two stages. The first stage is processing solar energy potential data in the form of DEM. In this processing, the required data are DEM data, building data, and dimension in the form of user class and light intensity contained in the calculate solar radiation. The second step is processing solar potential data in 3D building. The data required in this processing are processed data and 3D building data in the form of a future class. This is the result of my research. Before processing using calculate solar radiation, it is necessary to convert the DEM data and the 3D building into the future class. This is the 3D future class of 0 km area of Yogyakarta. The color distribution of solar potential processing consists of the several colors, ranging the yellow to red. This is the image of distribution of solar energy potential in the 0 km area of Yogyakarta. The dark color illustrates when the solar potential is highest, and the blue color represents solar potential on the DEM. From this distribution, the dominant of color is yellow. The total of solar energy in 0 km of Yogyakarta is 94,523.84 kWh per meter quadrat per day. Based from the result, the area of Jalan Suryatmajan, Jalan Margomulyo, Jalan Suryotomo, and Jalan Panembahan Senopati has a highest potential for the solar energy. This is the result of solar analysis in 0 km area of Yogyakarta. Solar potential range 0 until 1, category very low potential, the color is yellow, have a percentage 46.76%. The solar potential range 1 until 2, category little potential, the color is dark yellow, have a percentage 6.65%. The solar potential range 2 until 3, category low potential, the color is orange yellow, have a percentage 5.52%, and the solar potential range 3 until 4, category medium potential, the color is light orange, have a percentage 3.71%. The solar potential range 4 until 5, category less potential, the color is orange, have a percentage 5.98%. Solar potential range 5 until 6, category potential, the color is dark orange, have a percentage 7.96%. Solar potential range 6 until 7, category more potential, the color is reddish orange, have a percentage 13.72%. Solar potential range 7 until 8, category high potential, the color is bright red, percentage 8.27%. Solar potential range 8 until 9, category very potential, the color is red, have a percentage 0.47%. Solar potential more than 9, category most potential, the color is dark red, have a percentage 0.96. Conclusion. Based on the result of processing the solar energy potential in 0 km area of Yogyakarta, a distribution of the solar energy potential in the 3D building modeling and the distribution of color based on the potential is generated. The total solar power potential in the area is 94,523.84 kWh per meter quadrat per day. The grid potential for the solar energy is found around the Jalan Surya Tomo, Jalan Suryatmajan, Jalan Margomulyo, and Jalan Panembahan Senopati, because those areas are dominated by orange to red color. Based on the classification of solar power potential, the grid potential is in the range of 6 until 7 kWh per meter quadrat per day and 7 until 8 kWh per meter quadrat per day. Thus the result in the more potential and high potential solar power potential. For the future research, operator want to know the solar energy potential in other areas. In order for the potential result of the solar energy to be seen and utilized by many people, the author want to develop this process result on the WebGIS platform to be able to provide benefit to many people. Enough. Thank you for watching my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.